Are they ready? Watch your foot, eh?
No, nope. Not right.
A little more?
Yeah.
The kids just asked me if Bigfoot ran out of the bush and attacked you and snatched you, would I save you? And I said, absolutely not, I'm gone. And they said, why? I said, it's Bigfoot, he's big. All right, get in. The worst part is right up here.
Okay, I never want to go one here.
What was that?
Guys, I wanted to go on the Nemo.
This is where we sleep at tonight. I was set up for our camp. See, we have a firm, there's a firm mattress there, nothing too fancy. And a little house here with this lovely, lovely view. Woo! Yay! We have Ariana trying to blow up a fish here, a Nemo. So I was set up here. Woo! So we're going to put the steaks on the grill.
And again, somebody forgot tongs. We won't mention any names, but it wasn't me this time. I'm innocent. I cannot be blamed. Well, I can be, but I ain't taking the blame. So, yeah, man, they looking good. It was the person holding the camera who forgot the tongs again. We can't come any camping trip, any trip at all, without forgetting something. But I'll tell you what we never forget. We never forget the alcohol. Ever.
Okay, so guys, what my dad just now said, but the one thing we don't forget is the rum.
I didn't say rum. I said
Alcohol. Same, kind of same thing. What is meant to say is they never forget the children.
That's right.
You don't have brains. You're supposed to say that.
this is better than a 5-star meal. This is dynamite. They cook perfectly. Sweet potatoes and potatoes. Beautifully. Mushroom. Tomatoes. Ocean. I actually envy myself right now. We are so lucky right now. I got to shout out to my brother because you know he's in the snow, and the rest of my family who's up there freezing to death. I love you. But I'm touched by the equator. You're touched by the snow belt. Wonder who prefers the equator to the snow belt. I know I do. There you go, buddy. Nice bottle of Chardonnay, Lacatour, creamy for my wife. Yeah, mommy.
I don't know why I'm a child like that when you grow outside here like this for. There's one, two. So that's our tent in the back there, guys. That's our hotel for tonight. Hotel Pennsylvania.
California. That's an
Hotel
awesome
California.
for such a cheap price.
So guys, we need to get this fire rolling. Let me see what happens. I'm done. Let David do his magic. I good. I done.
Magic.
So guys, this is our wonderful, wonderful afternoon. We are camping. We have a nice steak, potatoes, tomatoes, veg. If you guys haven't subscribed, share, like the video, and keep watching. Because these are the things you guys are going to see more often on this channel. And we love you guys, and we're out. See you guys in the morning.
My mac and cheese cooking. But
Our first attempt was a disaster.
it was.
This is a microwavable mac and cheese. Well, there is no microwave in the campsite. And then we have a gourmet sausage and egg, steak and potato, breakfast coming up. Are they ready? Watch your foot, eh?
Nope. Not ready.
A little more?
Yeah.
We're gonna go check out the boys, see how they made out their new tent.
They look hungover.
Hungover. Cheese boy.
Yeah.
Oh, that's creepy stuff up here, right? Make my egg for that. It's ready. You have the cheese. We mix it now.
Oh.
Kind of watery. You know, I've never made mac and cheese. Ever. I
This
don't
is my
like it.
first time as well.
I don't like it.
I know it's weird.
It's good though. Looks like mac and cheese.
Which one of it? Which one of it have cheese? Wait, that's mine? This
So
mine?
here I am. Go take it to her.
Hurry. Tell us how it is.
It's hot, eh? She gives everything a 10 out of 10. I'm sure it's a 10 out of 10, isn't it? Yeah. Yes, baby girl. Yes, baby girl.
Coming out.
You coming out? Mac and cheese party now. And breakfast is served. Everybody likes it a little different. All right, little delicious.
Finally food.
Finally food. Oh God, this will be terrible.
Look at what we find. A canoe, I think. What is it again? Oh, I can't wait. Yeah, paddling board. Oh, I can't take it out. Pretty much.
All aboard.
Look at Daddy suffering. Oh, I have to do all the work. If he has to do all the work.
I'm the engine.
Yeah, you are the engine and we have the relaxers. Yeah, and I can just paddle it. Look at that. She's supposed to go on that, but she decided not to go on it. Okay, so Daddy's going out to catch a fish. Guys, I want you to go on the boat. So he's on it with me right now.
venture a little off-road in here. It's I've never been here, but it's to take us to Lopino, right?
Yeah, the Lopino jump. It's a Lopino trail.
It's a Lopino trail, so you guys are gonna be along for the ride. So let's see.
Well, we heard the road was closed.
So we heard the Arima road was closed to go home, so we're taking an adventure through the forest. So let's go.
Mommy's getting out to direct traffic in this very, very busy road.
Wait, let's come. Wait, Timothy. Wait. There's a drop there, so you gotta ride up that thing so go so.